Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm, and I just wanted to show you a quick example of my categories game. This is just going to be one question. Again, you can make as many questions as you'd like. Hopefully you make more than just one. Um, and this one's a little bit trickier than it may seem at first, so I'm going to kind of give you some hints while I'm showing you how the game works. Hopefully you pick up on those hints and this isn't too difficult for you. But I'll just show you how the game works really quickly. So welcome to categories. Please type the name of a fruit. So I'm going to type orange. Oh, okay. Well, apparently that wasn't the correct answer. Let's try strawberry. No, apparently that's not right. Let's try apple. Yay, good job. Okay, so this is how this is the logic behind the game. Okay, so I have an array with three fruit in them. Three fruits? Three fruits. Apple, I don't know, peach, banana, right? And what I'm doing is I've wrapped the entire thing in a while loop, right? And I have a Boolean value called win. And at the beginning of the game, that is set to false. So we have not won the game. And so while win does not equal true, then it'll say, welcome to categories, please type the name of a fruit. And then I'll type in my answer. And then there's a for loop inside of the while loop that iterates through the entire array, checking at each iteration to see if what they've answered equals what's inside that index. And if it is, great. It says that's a good job, whatever, and then it breaks out of the loop for us. Oh, sorry. It says good job, and it changes that Boolean value to win, right? To true, right? That win Boolean value to true. And then it breaks out of the loop. Okay. So that's just me explaining. I'm not going to show you the code because as soon as I show you the code, I know you're going to pause the video and just furiously type everything that I've written on there. So I don't want to give you the answer, but that's essentially the logic of the game, right? Everything's wrapped in a while loop, and then there's a for loop on the inside of that while loop that's checking to see if what they've entered is inside that array. So make a couple of those questions. Make a fun game out of it. Mine's super dorky example of fruit, but you can do all kinds of cool things. Again, be as creative as you want. Make something really interesting and fun to play. And I will see you next week.